feeling right now, you feel me? That's just the feeling right now, you feel me? I love when you sleep on me. I like to wake 'em up. We gon' see. Big day ahead of us, get out your bed, go get you some breakfast. Don't make excuses, just make it effortless. Comfortable out of my comfort zone. Cut off the ones who ain't want me on. Worry about something when nothing's wrong. Working for God till he want me home. I have no fear of destruction, I have no fear of death. Don't make a threat, I blow that whistle like a ref. People are foul now, watch what you do when you out of bounds. I give them praise when I'm out of town. I hit the booth and devour sound. Nah, yeah, we don't play around, it's a bet, lay it down. If you didn't know me last year, bitch, you know me now. I was trying to give it to you, now I'm going for the crown. You don't wanna hold it down, you don't think about coming to this shit. Come around like I'm trying to get money. When you want with the world, money gotta hunt you down. This is godly, oddly, timely. Find resentment right behind me, find redemption right beside me. If I forget, please remind me. Keep proving yourself to me.